I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If your Instagram feed has been hacked, it can be stressful, but there are steps you can take to recover it. Step 1. Secure your email account. Check your email for any notifications from Instagram about changes made to your account. If you see any suspicious activity, secure your email by changing the password and enabling two-factor authentication. Step 2. Use Instagram's account recovery. Go to the Instagram login page and click on Forgot Password. Follow the prompts to receive a login link via email or SMS. This will help you regain access to your account. Step 3. Check account settings. Once logged in, review your account settings. Look for any unauthorized changes, such as new linked accounts or changed personal information. Revert any changes you didn't make. Step 4. Revoke access to suspicious apps. Navigate to your account settings and find security. Look for ads on websites to see if there are any unfamiliar apps connected to your account. Remove any that seem suspicious. Step 5. Report the hack to Instagram. If you are still having issues, report the hack to Instagram. Go to the help center and follow the instructions for reporting a hacked account. They will guide you through the recovery process. Recovering a hacked Instagram feed can be a hassle, but following these steps should help you get back on track. Stay safe and keep your account secure.